はい、皆さん、こんばんは。ジェニアと申します。よろしくお願いいたします。この動画について、みんな日本語のレッスン第17課を勉強していきましょう、皆さん。それでは、始めていきましょう。Pag-aaralan po natin yung naide kudasay ngayon, continuation ni Lesson 17, Grammar. So, ang ibig sabihin niya is please don't. Okay, example, please don't give up. Ang Nihongo ng don't give up is akirame mas. Okay, so ang una natin gagawin para makuha natin yung naide kudasay, minasang, umit lang natin yung mas, so matitira yung akirame. Then after maumit si mas, ilagay na natin yung naide kudasay. So akirame naide kudasay. Please don't give up. Okay, next example, please don't take a picture here. Okay, koko de shashin o torimasu. So kinuha natin yung take a picture, torimasu po yun. So ang gagawin natin yun dahil yung si torimasu is group 1, umit mo yung mas, tori, matitira doon. Then yung ri is magiging A sound, magiging tora. Then put naide kudasai. So tora naide kudasai. Okay, next, please don't go there because it's dangerous. So unahin muna natin yung ating reason. Abunai desu kara. Then asoko ni ikanaide kudasai. Ikimasu, siki naging A sound. Ika, then put naide. Ikanaide kudasai. Okay, next natin, yung nakereba narimasen. So, ibig sabihin naman ng nakereba narimasen is you must or kinakailangan. Okay, you must drink, example, nomimas, yung drink po yun. Then, umit mo yung mas, matitira yung nomi. Then, yung mi is magiging A sound, magiging ma. Kasi dahil si nomimas is group 1. Then, after nun, noma, saka natin ikabit yung nakereba narimasen. So, noma nakereba narimasen. Ayan. Noma nakereba narimasen. So, nadoble lang po yung ano dito, yung kereha, no? Dapat ito yun. Nakereba narimasen. Okay, so next natin, example, you must study Japanese language. So, nihongo benkyou shimasu. So, yung benkyou shimasu is group 3 verb kasi to. Kaya ang ginawa lang natin kay benkyou shimasu, inumit natin yung mas, natira ang benkyou shi, then inad natin yung nakereba narimasen. So, nihongo benkyou shi nakereba narimasen. Okay, next, minasang, you must eat breakfast. So, asaguhan no tabe, dahil si tabe mas, minasang, is group 2, inumit lang natin yung mass form, then natira yung tabe, then inad lang natin yung nakereba narimasen. So, asaguhan no tabe nakereba narimasen. You must eat breakfast. Okay, next natin yung nakutemo ides. So, ang ibig sabihin naman nakutemo ides, hindi mo kailangan gawin. Need not. Okay, for example, need not to hurry. Hindi mo kailangan magmadali. Isogimas po yung to hurry. Ang gagawin natin sa kanya, umit mo yung mas, group 1 po ito. Umit mo yung mas, matitira si isogi. Then si gi is magiging A sound, magiging ga. Then, pag naging isoga na siya, lagay natin yung nakutemo ides. So, isoga nakutemo ides. Need not to hurry. Okay, next example, you don't need to buy this. So, koreo. Okay, koreo kaimas. Kaimas kasi is group 1. So, yung I magiging A. So, kawa na po siya. Then, saka natin lagay yung nakutemo ides. Koreo kawa nakutemo ides. Hindi mo kailangang bilhin to. Okay, then next, you don't need to pay by card. Hindi mo kailangan magbayad ng by card. So, kado de haraimasu. So, yung ina naman magiging wa. Harawana kutemo ii desu. Okay, thank you for watching, minasan. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And J Mercado, follow my page in our online tutorial and follow my FB account, Junior Mercado. Alright. この授業で終わりましょう。お疲れ様でした、皆さん。